Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain The Lost Child written by Mulk Raj Anand. It is the chapter 1 of class 9th book Moments. The story is about a small boy or child who was lost in the fair. He went with his parents to the fair, but unfortunately, he was lost when he was attracted by a roundabout swing. The story is set in the season of spring. All the villagers, dressed in colorful attire or dresses, were going towards the fair. This child also was going along with his parents. He was attracted or tempted by the things besides the road and continuously lagging behind. His parents told him every time, "Come, child, come." And he was running. That means he was walking with a speed to cope with his parents' speed. As they entered into the fair, the child was attracted by the toys, sweets, and the other things present in the fair. He wanted everything. He was tempted by all. But he knew it very well that he could not get everything that was there in the fair. He was very excited and happy. He wanted the sweets, the jalebis. The sweet sellers were shouting by taking the names of the sweets, and the child also wanted those. But he did not ask his parents, as he knew that they would tell him that he was greedy and they would deny to buy the sweets. And Barfi was his favorite. The child's father was getting angry, but his mother tried to pacify him by diverting his attention towards other things around him in the fair. They moved towards the fair. He saw many things over there. There was a garland seller who was selling the garlands of Gulmohar. The child wanted that. He also wanted the colorful balloons that were sold by the balloon sellers. But he didn't ask, as he knew it very well that his parents would deny. He saw a snake charmer. He saw different things, the toy shop and all. And as a child, he was attracted, but he couldn't ask. So he was lagging behind. He saw a roundabout swing, gol gol ghumne wala, and he wanted that ride. He was asking for permission from his parents whether he could enjoy the ride of roundabout swing. But he didn't get any reply. He looked back, and that time, to his astonishment, he found that he was lost. His parents were nowhere around him. He looked here and there. He started to run from here and there. But he couldn't find his parent. He was terrified. He started to cry or weep. The place was much crowded. It was too crowded that a person could not walk properly. The child tried hard to find out his parents, but he could not. That time, a kind-hearted person took him in his arms, and the person tried to console the weeping child. He first asked him whether he would like to have that ride on the roundabout swing. He also tried to console him by offering him sweets, garlands of gulmohar, balloons, toys, or anything that a child would like. But this time, that child denied everything. He was sobbing and only replied that, I want my mother, I want my father. So now, the child who at first wanted those things, he was attracted, he was tempted by these things. Now he didn't want anything. Now he just want to get back his parents. He wanted to meet his parents, he wanted to see him once. In this way, the story ends. When the man was trying to console the child by offering him lot of things, the child only wanted his parents, his mother, his father. So, the story highlights the bond of love and affection between a child and his parents. The child who wanted everything before, his parent denied. But now the child didn't want anything. He only want his parents to get back. So through this story, we learn that the love and affection with our parents is more important than the earthly things. A little boy also understood the things or this matter. He just wanted his parents to get back.